Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Monday the 8th, 2024 January, and for lock number 5 of the 8 quarters that PickSmith's gave me for my PD jar, I'm going to attempt this little tiny master lock. It's either a 2 or 3 pin. I'm going to need the vise for it, so this will be my first pick in a vise and number 5 pick of the 8 quarters for the PD jar from PickSmith's. So here we go. Let's give it a shot. Get that secure in the vise. Put on my headlamp here. Use bottom of keyway. Well, let's get this adjusted right. Alright, this is going to be awkward. I think I can fit the 50 in there. No, 50's too much. I guess a 40 will have to do. Using a Jimmy Long's 19 Old Faithful. Alright. And I'm in. Wow. Okay, that's open number 5. That's a quarter in the jar for PD. Yeah, getting filled up. Alright, that headlamp came in handy, and so did the vise for these little locks. Oh yeah, I'll take it out so you can see that it's open. There, it's open. Thanks, PickSmith. Thanks everyone else for watching. Have a wonderful day.